Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 31st August 2025. Title of Murli. Be an embodiment of remembrance, an experienced image. Pass with honors and with a fast speed, and bring about transformation in a second. Bap Dada said, this divine sustenance, God's love, and the spiritual attainments are received only by a few special souls out of millions across the entire cycle. So, check yourself. Do you truly consider yourself an embodiment of these attainments? Baba says, at the present time, becoming an embodiment of experience is the highest stage. Such souls can never be deceived by Maya, nor can they feel sorrow. In today's world, the majority of souls are tired of merely seeing and hearing. Everyone seeks to experience. To become the embodiment of experience in every point, this is the true sign of a knowledgeable soul. Further, Baba said, the main signs of an embodiment of experience are being an instrument in one's stage, always maintaining pure and spiritual feelings in one's attitude, and remaining selfless in every action. Finally, Baba said, do not spend time in changing yourself slowly. This is the time for intense effort, not ordinary effort. You are the instruments who will bring the end of time closer. At the final moment, the test will be of a second, not a minute. Therefore, practice holding that stage even for a second over a long period of time. Only then will you pass with honor.
Blessing for today. May you become an embodiment of success by putting on the switch of awareness and benefiting yourself and others. Details are: the basis of your stage is your awareness. Constantly have this powerful awareness, I belong to the Father and the Father belongs to me. By having this awareness, your stage will remain powerful and you will also make others powerful. When a switch is put on, there is light. In the same way, this awareness is also a switch. Let the switch of attention be constantly on, and you will continue to benefit yourself and others. Since you have a new birth, have new memories and finish all memories of the past. By using this method, you will receive the blessing of being an embodiment of success. Slogan is, in order to experience supersensuous joy, remain stable in your stage of an embodiment of peace. Om Shanti. Avyakt signals. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. Bap Dada is bound by a bond of love and cannot become free even if he wanted to. This is why they have shown an image of being bound on the path of devotion. Even while Avyakt, he had to be bound by a bond in a practical form. Even though he was liberated from the physical form, he could not become free. This bond of love is very strong. Become an embodiment of love, tie one another with a bond of love, and give the experience of a close relationship and of belonging.